Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Nissan has committed to the supermini market in Europe by confirming it intends to replace the slow-selling Micra with a new all-electric model, which will be related to the new Renault 5 that's due to launch in 2024. This all-new model will be designed by Nissan and engineered and manufactured by Renault using our new common platform, revealed Nissan Chief Operating Officer Ashwani Gupta. Nissan also teased the new car, which features a rounder design language compared with the angular Renault 5 with which it will share its architecture. The new Micra replacement will be based on the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance CMF-BEV platform. Our exclusive image gives an idea of how the new model will look. This is a great example of the Alliance's smart differentiation approach. Succeeding our iconic Micra, I am sure this new model will provide further excitement to our customers in Europe, Gupta added. The Japanese brand's rival for the Ford Fiesta and Vauxhall Corsa has struggled for sales in its latest fifth generation, with numbers across Europe falling from more than 86,000 in 2017 to less than 40,000 in COVID-hit 2020. The costs involved in developing small combustion-engined cars for upcoming proposed Euro 7 emissions regulations look set to make them harder than ever to make money on, with Škoda boss Thomas Schaefer pointing out recently that the price of one of the Micra's key rivals, the Fabia, could rise by as much as £5,000 if the most stringent EU 7 proposals are adopted. Speaking to Auto Express last year, Nissan's European boss Guillaume Cartier hinted that the firm could make a Micra successor and admitted that it is investigating which alliance resources might allow it to build such a car. The core business today and tomorrow is crossover, Juke, Kawasaki, X-Trail, Ariya, and the new car that we've spoken about, the Leaf replacing crossover EV, he said. That's already 5 cars. Then for each car we have to make sure that we have the depth, enough powertrains to match the volumes we have. We want to make sure that this core, in terms of volume per model, is increasing.